Hello, beautiful ones. Today, let's explore the fascinating world of channeling energy and how to become a clear channel, anywhere, anytime. Channeling is the practice of receiving and conveying messages from higher sources, such as spiritual guides, angels, or the universe itself. It's a beautiful way to access wisdom and guidance beyond our ordinary awareness. So what is channeling? Channeling is a form of intuitive communication, where you become a conduit for higher energies and messages. Think of yourself as a radio, tuning into different frequencies to receive clear signals. These messages can come through as thoughts, feelings, visions, or even words. Grounding and centering. To become a clear channel, start with grounding yourself. Wherever you are, take a few deep breaths and imagine roots growing from your feet into the earth, anchoring you firmly. This connection stabilizes your energy and helps you stay present. Centering involves focusing on your heart space, aligning your mind, body, and spirit in harmony. Raising your vibration. Channeling requires a high vibrational state. You can achieve this through deep breathing, thinking positive thoughts, or recalling a joyful memory. Focus on feelings of love, gratitude, and joy. These emotions elevate your energy, making it easier to connect with higher realms. Setting your intention. Set a clear intention for your channeling. You might ask for guidance on a specific issue, seek general wisdom, or simply open yourself to whatever messages come through. State your intention out loud or silently, with sincerity and openness. Opening up now. Open yourself to receive. Wherever you are, close your eyes if it's safe to do so, and take deep breaths, relaxing into a receptive state. Pay attention to any sensations, thoughts, or images that arise. Don't force anything. Let the messages come naturally. Trust your intuition and what you feel. Receiving messages. Messages can come in various forms. You might hear words, see visions, feel emotions, or just have a knowing. Keep a small journal or note-taking app, handy to jot down anything you receive. Don't judge or analyze the messages at this stage. Just capture them as they come. Like any skill, channeling improves with practice. Integrate it into your daily routine, even if just for a few minutes. The more you practice, the clearer and more accurate your channeling will become. Channeling is a profound way to connect with higher wisdom and guidance. By grounding yourself, raising your vibration, setting intentions, and practicing regularly, you can become a clear channel for these divine messages anytime, anywhere. Remember, you are a powerful being, capable of tapping into the infinite knowledge of the universe. Thank you for joining me today. Stay open, stay receptive, and let the wisdom flow through you. Until next time, blessed be.